Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we even get started into this video, stop what you're doing, and if you enjoy my content, go ahead and hit that like button. And also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post a new video. So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into the point of this video. So if you saw my video from yesterday, you saw that I did put aloe vera in my hair and I left it in for 24 hours. And now it's time to rinse it out. Okay, guys? It's time to rinse it on out. So let's just go ahead. I'm telling you, this is not going to be a long video at all. Let's go ahead and look and see what's going on with my hair. It still feels pretty moist, okay? I know people don't like that word, but I don't know how else to describe my hair at this moment. But let's see. When I did put this in my hair yesterday, y'all, it felt amazing. I did mix it with lavender oil and peppermint oil. So it feels great, to be honest. It feels extremely moisturized. It feels like it's very easy to detangle. It feels like if I needed to brush it out, I could. It feels great, honestly. I'm going to go ahead and probably show you guys some close-up shots of what it looks like close up. Let's see. This is what it looks like right now. This has been in my hair for quite a while. It's very gooey. Not gooey. Let me see. What's another word? It's like moist, but at the same time, it's not like... It's a little bit slimy. Just a touch slimy. But not as slimy as it looked yesterday when I was applying it to my hair. So, yeah. So let me go ahead and give you guys some close-up shots. Whoa, what's going on? Let me give y'all some close-up shots. So this is what it looks like. 24 hours in my hair. I'm about to just go ahead and rinse it out, and then I'm gonna style my hair very fast. Let's see. Like, this isn't going to be a long video at all. So y'all see what it looks like with it in my hair. Just to kind of break down what my hair is feeling like, it does still feel very moisturized. It doesn't feel dry. Oh, but we are still experiencing shedding. But it doesn't, I don't know if that's, I'm at this point, I don't know if that's a lot or a little bit. But we are, it doesn't feel dry at all. It does still feel very moisturized. And my hair is still shedding. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try this again in a few days to see, just to see if there's any change in it or in my hair. Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and rinse it out really fast, and then I'll come back to you guys and just show you guys what it looks like all rinsed out. I'm telling y'all, this is about to be like a 5-minute video. No lie, this is about to be 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go ahead and rinse it out real fast. Where are my glasses? Wait a minute. What in the world? Okay, there they go. Alright, let's rinse this out. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and rinse it out of my hair. And this is what my hair looks like so far. It just looks very frizzy. Very, I don't know, frizzy. And that's pretty much it. I don't really know if this is going to be a full video or if I'm going to include this in another video. But I just wanted to show you guys what my hair was looking like with it rinsed out. And I did leave a little bit in my hair. I tried to get all like the chunks and stuff out, but like some people said they used it as leave-in conditioner, so I wanted to try that just a little bit. So I did like a light rinse in my hair, and my hair is drying pretty fast. It hasn't even been I haven't even rinsed my hair more than 20 minutes ago, and the ends are already dry. I don't know if that's good or bad, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like so far. I'm probably now just gonna go ahead and style it into just a quick style to just get my hair done and out the way for right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this because it's so short. I'll probably have some information tagged again about the benefits of aloe vera juice or aloe vera for your hair and things like that. So yeah, I just wanted to come to you guys and let you guys know that, and just show you guys my hair a little bit. It is not, there's no definition to it or anything, but this is just what we're working with right now. Let me do a quick little length check type of situation, so y'all can at least see how long my hair is right now. Let's see, let me get it. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell if you have not already, so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video. I do want to thank you guys again so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.